verbs run your whole day in Japan. 行く go 見る see 食べる eat 飲む drink 買う buy 5 little verbs. Your day in kanji quicker than you think. 行く is a crossroad, off you go. Every journey starts with it. 見る is an eye on running legs. An eye that walks, now that's a hit. 行く見る食べる飲む買う go. 食べる has a roof and rice inside. Good food waiting dinner time. 飲む is a mouth that's drinking up. Gulp it down, the water's fine. 買う is a net above a shell. 買い the shell, the money sign. Catch the shells and make the trade. Shopping kanji bottom line. 行く見る食べる飲む買う 5 verbs carry all your day. Eye on legs and roof on rice. Kanji stories light the way. 食べるいただきます Next station kanji read the city.